Hi, I'm Lauren Buckout, team leader of Greenhouse on the Go. We created Greenhouse on the Go to teach students in our community about topics of sustainability, sustainable gardening, and recycling. Our team worked together to build a greenhouse on a mobile flatbed trailer. This was a really eye-opening experience. We learned so much along the way. So to begin constructing our trailer, we had to figure out a general design, which was pretty difficult. I mean, we got some ideas from Pinterest and YouTube, but in the end, we had to work with what we had and nothing really lined up. So we did end up making our own design that we drew up as a team together. Our original hoop design did not work out successfully as the hoops when attached were under too much pressure. So we did have to alter our design, which one of our members could do in that same day. And it all worked out for the best. I mean, our minds came together and we really figured this out on our own to make this thing happen. So our hoops went up, we attached them, cemented them together with PVC glue and PVC joints. We U-bolted them into the sides to create a really stable structure. And then finally the tarp went on. Once that was secure, our greenhouse was born. Our first outing as a team to go and teach children was at the Bridgewater Child Care Center. Unfortunately, it was raining that day, so we could not take everyone out to our trailer, but we did work inside the classroom with kids. We also had a station where kids could take recycled materials that we had collected ourselves and decorate them to use for pots upon our next trip there. They really dove into it, and I mean, some of them really lit up. I mean, really all of them lit up. It was awesome. They really had a great experience learning about plants, and it was surprising that some really didn't know where a carrot came from. Somebody thought a carrot plant was a chicken plant, and that was wrong. But it was a really awesome experience for us too. Our first time teaching children was, really eye-opening. We kind of learned how to interact with them. We learned it was to make it exciting, and so that was really successful. Our second trip to the Bridgewater Child Care Center, we were able to bring the trailer and use it as a learning lab for the kids. So we split into two groups and had our team members work with each group. One began by planting potatoes in a bin that the children had decorated the day before, which was really cool. They had all signed their name and kind of felt like they were part of the process of creating this, and then they actually got to plant the potatoes. And then the other group went into the greenhouse, and we encouraged each student to pick a plant, plant it. They learned how to correctly transplant the plants. They were super excited about the different kind of plants. I had, so many kids say, I want a succulent, and learn, what even is a succulent and learn how to care for it. And it was really rewarding to see our project come to life there. In terms of sustainability, we made sure to emphasize that everything in our trailer were either recycled, reused, or donated, and that what we've created here is replicable on a smaller scale in their own home. Pots ranged from cookie containers, soup cans, old Panera cups, pretty much anything we could collect, clean, and reuse. So they really realized, hey, instead of going into the landfill, we saved this entire bag of trash from going there, and we can use it to grow something that we can eat, which was really cool. Sustainability was a big topic on, how can we reduce, reuse, recycle to be sustainable for years to come. We are so excited for this project to continue in our community as we're taking Greenhouse to John Wayland Elementary School this April 26th for the annual Earth Day celebration.